Surgeons get total knee replacements too. Have you ever thought of what exercises they would do after getting their knee replaced? In this video, I'm going to share the top 7 exercises that 5 surgeons have told me that they would do after getting their knee replaced. Now, at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you just one exercise that every physical therapist would do to help recover a whole lot faster from a total knee replacement. The first 3 exercises are going to require your cane. After surgery, it's totally normal for someone to be hyper nervous or sensitive about anyone coming near or into contact with their knee. That's normal, but it doesn't help. So if you can use that cane to roll through like the front of your thigh, then that will help to decrease the amount of sensitivity within your knee so that you can easily perform activities or movements without feeling like your knee is just going to spontaneously combust. The next thing you're going to do with the cane is, loosen up the knee joint. You can't just have it bend and not fully straighten, or keep it straight and not bend it. You're able to move the knee, the more activities you can actually engage in. So in this position, while you're lying on your back, you can use that cane to pull your toes or the ball of your foot down towards you, right? And while you straighten, like actively straighten your knee, you're gonna feel a great stretch to the back of your knee here. The more that these muscles are loosened up, the more that you'll be able to straighten your knee with ease. To make your knee bend a bit more, you're now going to use that cane to pull up at your heel. If you can get that heel to go up towards your butt, like towards your chest, awesome. Now, I would just say if you are using a heating pad or ice pad on top of your knee, this will greatly help so that you can get through this exercise without all the pain. Of course, pain medication works too. All right, let's do this. If you didn't know that you can do that with your cane, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you got any relief in doing the exercise with the cane, definitely hit the like button and leave a comment. Now, what I want you to do is ditch the cane, because we need to start building strength and trust in your knee. All right, trust as well as strength takes time to build. And one of the simplest, easiest things that you can do to start building trust in your knee right now is just putting more pressure through it. I need to make this clear. You have a brand spanking new knee. The tag is still on. What you're gonna have to do is break it in. And to do that, you're gonna have to put more pressure through your leg. So one of the first strengthening exercises that I like for you to do is sit to stand exercise, right? So you're gonna be standing up, sitting down. The key here is you're going to bring the knee that's recovering, or your strong knee, right? This is something that I want you to practice here, right? Because the way that we perceive things make a huge difference. The knee that was operated on, it's super duper strong. I mean, in terms of the material, the surgeons, they're going for the best material out there, right? So this is now technically your strong knee. So let's go ahead and put your strong knee behind, right, the leg that was not operated on. All right, as you go to stand up, you're going to put more pressure through that knee, and that's going to force you to use that leg a little bit more than you would by using both legs. Very difficult to compensate when doing that. As you go to sit down, still all that pressure is through your strong leg, while you slowly lower your butt to the seat. The next exercise that I want you to do is going to be heel lifts, and this is where, again, you're putting all your weight through your strong leg, whether it be in the front or the back, lifting both heels off the floor. Or if you want to just lift your strong heel off the floor, you can hold that for about 2 to 3 seconds and then slowly lower, again keeping all the pressure going through your strong leg. The third strengthening or trust exercise is going to be you standing on your strong leg while you draw or trace like a semicircle with your opposite leg. You can see in this video all my weight is shifted onto my brand new knee, right, as I kind of trace this half circle just to put more time and pressure onto my strong leg. All right, so we've gone through 6 exercises so far. On the last exercise, we're gonna keep this simple. You're gonna try to put this whole thing behind you. So you're gonna stand in front of anything that you can put, like slap your foot up on top of. You're gonna stand in front and you're gonna put that leg up behind you. This is gonna stretch out the front of your thigh, and that's gonna loosen up everything in front of your hip down to your knee. This is a stretch, so you can hold this for as long as you like, and the longer you hold it, the better. All right, as promised, here's the one exercise that every physical therapist would do after a total knee replacement. Recumbent bike. Recumbent bikes are great because you can move the seat forward or backward to get more knee bend or knee straightening, right? They're also just great because whether you're on your feet or not, because of that cyclical rotation or movement, you're getting more mileage through your knee, which is what you're looking for, and that's how you recover faster. All right, now I do have one extra bonus thing for you. Not everyone does well with video, so I've actually written a book. It's on Amazon. The link is in the description below. It'll show you all the exercises that I would recommend for someone who's having pain from osteoarthritis in the knee as well as in their hip. So yeah, check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe, like, leave a comment. Yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.